What's going on, everybody? DiecastPassion channel here, bringing to you a new model which is a 1/18 scale Jaguar F-Type by AUTOart in a fire sand orange metallic color. Model is made of composite and with opening parts. I bought it for 130 euros, which is pretty good price here in Europe. You can also buy another color versions like matte gray, matte black and white. AUTOart produce only this F-Type. I asked them if they would produce SVR version, but answer was no, which is a shame. I don't like the top speed F-Types even as VR which they produce, because price is the same like this. AUTOart and top speed F-Type is a resin and model has solid plastic rails. So this is the reason why I chose this, so let's unbox it and then take a close look. So, is this AUTOart F-Type a good deal? Let's start with the things I don't like. I don't like the type of wheels. Jaguar offers more attractive wheels on this car, so it's a shame that AUTOart produced these little bit boring wheels, but this is just my point of view. It's a shame that model is without black roof because early sample at the toy fair had a black roof. But now the things what I like, uh, panel gaps and shut lines are great. Perforated grills are found all over the area. I also like the rear storage, which is carpet, and model has a very nice exhaust tips, and I really like the underbelly of the model. After all, this is a nice looking model, even it's composite, and for me a better choice than the top speed model's version of the F-Type. If you will have a choice to buy this model for some good money, be sure to do it. I thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.